मैं हूँ शानदार श्रेया and we're gonna have a lot of fun today. Okay, आज का टॉपिक is specially for girls. आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं, we're gonna talk about 6 tricks that you should follow to make your high heels comfortable. Before starting the beam, let me show you guys what I'm wearing today. See, I'm wearing nice high heels and they're so comfortable. I hope you guys like my high heels, and I'm wearing high heels only to suit the topic of today, that is how to make your high heels pain free. Okay, the first thing you can do is, girls, okay, when you buy new heels, generally heels बहुत tight होते हैं, okay, because when you buy new ones, of course बहुत fitting के होते हैं, बहुत tight होते हैं, and therefore since it's tight you start getting shoe bites. You know, सब जगह shoe bites होने लगते हैं, blisters हो जाने लगते हैं tightness की वजह से, and you feel really uncomfortable and you have the worst time of your life that day. And उसके बाद काफी दिनों तक तुम कुछ भी कोई भी shoe पहनो तुमको दर्द होता है, you can't walk properly, right? So because of tight shoes, so to loosen up your shoes, what you should do is wear socks. Socks जो होते हैं, अपने shoes में socks पहन के रखिए. Don't go out. It looks very bad when you wear socks inside your shoes. So please do not wear socks and go out. But अगर आप अपने shoes को lose करना चाहते हो, wear socks and roam around in your house. Do that for 7-8 days and it will loosen up your shoes. Second one is wear socks, and अगर आप instant looseness देखना चाहते हो, if you instantly want to loosen your shoes, अगर आप आज शाम को ही कहीं जाना चाहते हो बाहर and you bought your shoes today and they are tight for you, what you can do is wear socks, उसके ऊपर shoes पहनिए and then blow dry your shoes. You know what's a blow dryer? A hair dryer. उससे अपने शूज को ब्लो ड्राई करो, उससे डेफिनेटली आपके शूज थोड़े लूज हो जाएंगे and they will be much more comfortable for you. So this is one more thing you can do, and there's one more idea that I've got for you guys. Just a minute. So I got this pair of socks. Let me tell you how it works. So you get it for around 60 to 80 bucks. किसी भी शू की दुकान में मिल जाएगा. Okay, so what you can do is ये socks, if you're wearing bellies, right? अगर आप formal shoes पहन रहे हो या ballerinas पहन रहे हो, and generally ballerinas में पीछे लगने लग जाता है and it hurts. So to avoid that, you can buy this. Okay, this is a sock for your bellies. So let me wear it and show you. आपको अच्छे से समझ में आएगा कि इसको कैसे यूज करते हैं. This is for the girls, okay? Okay, so this is a small little tiny little sock. Okay, okay. Now you have to wear it in your feet, because it covers your toes. These socks, they cover your toes, and you can wear them in bellies, and it does not show as well. This is to protect your toes, because जब हम bellies पहनते हैं, right, it hurts a lot sometimes, especially your new bellies, and some people also have a problem of sweaty legs. तो अगर आपके legs बहुत sweat करते हैं, what you can do is get these socks. Again, these socks have a bandage kind of a thing at the back. Can you see it? यहाँ पे एक bandage जैसी छोटी सी चीज है. Now this part of the sock goes at the back of your leg. So usually ankle पे ही हमको shoe bites होते हैं लड़कियों को, and that is exactly why this thing is given at the bottom. Now I can't put it down again and show you. किसी भी चप्पल की दुकान में आपको ये मिल जाएगा, and trust me, it's totally worth buying. I think it's the best thing ever created. Alright, so the next trick that I'm going to tell you is, so you know, you get those roller deodorants, right? So you can also use those roller deodorants because उनसे आपके heels में आपके heels या bellies में आपको दर्द नहीं होगा. So basically वो जो rollers होता है ना, अपने पूरे पैर पे उसको roll कर लीजिए अच्छे से, because then it will avoid friction and जिससे आपको shoe bite नहीं होगा. Another thing you can do is, before wearing your shoes, if they are really uncomfortable, तो आप powder डाल सकते हैं अपने पैरों पे. Pour a lot of powder on your feet or some moisturizer, okay, and then wear your shoes, because powder makes it really comfortable. Talcum powder, yes, Sarvi, talcum powder, of course.